In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook ads to Whatagraph. By the end, your Facebook ads data will flow into Whatagraph so you can build clear, automated reports without manual exports. Start by opening Whatagraph and signing in to your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. If you work in a shared environment, make sure you're in the correct workspace so the connection is available to the right team. Next, head to the area where connections live. You'll find it labeled Data Sources, and depending on your layout, it may appear either in the sidebar or the top menu. Some interfaces call it Connect Sources. Both take you to the same place. Think of this section as your library of data pipelines. Every platform you connect will show up here. Now, add a new connection. Look for the option that says Connect New Source. This opens the catalog of integrations that Whatagraph supports. In that list, locate Facebook ads. If there's a search field, typing Facebook will surface it faster. Select Facebook ads to begin the secure authorization process. At this point, Whatagraph will redirect you to Facebook, also known as Meta, to authenticate. If a new window doesn't appear, briefly check your browser for a pop-up blocker notification and allow the window to open. When the Meta login page appears, sign in using the Facebook account that has access to the ad account you want to report on. Typically, that means the same credentials you use in Ads Manager. The account should have sufficient permissions on the ad account. Read access is essential for reporting. After you sign in, Facebook will show a permissions screen. Here, you're granting Whatagraph permission to read your Facebook ads data. Review the prompt and confirm access. These permissions are read-only and are required so Whatagraph can import metrics like impressions, clicks, spend, and conversions. If Meta presents a list of ad accounts or pages, choose the ones you want to make available in Whatagraph before continuing. Once you approve, you'll be sent back to Whatagraph automatically. You should now see Facebook ads listed among your connected data sources. The first data sync may take a minute, especially if you manage multiple campaigns, so give it a moment to populate. After that, your connection is ready, and you can start building reports and dashboards using live Facebook ads metrics. That's it, quick, secure, and ready for reporting. If something seems off, double-check that you logged in with the correct Facebook profile and that it has access to the intended ad account. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined reporting in Whatagraph.